Welcome to Gelmar, where experience means everything. With over 80 years' experience in the hardware industry, we are confident to rely on our educated staff members to provide Gelmar customers the best advice and knowledge on every product. We have an established reputation of being a one-stop shop for all our loyal customers. We pride ourselves on stocking multiple items with various kitchen, bathroom and bedroom accessories, while specializing in handles and furniture fittings. Our product list is endless. With products sourced internationally and locally, we have competitive market prices. Gelmar has also introduced our very own product range, maintaining high quality standards at lower prices. Our aim at Gelmar is to always provide our clients with a value for money deal, ensuring the best product at the best price. We also offer an online shopping service, as we know how precious your time can be. Click and collect in store or get it delivered at home. Gelmar is proud of its service-driven team that is always looking to improve on communication, friendly service, product variety and quality. Gelmar, we have it all.